We do want to turn now to the coronavirus emergency and a new milestone this morning. Cases worldwide now topping 30 million. Amid a troubling new forecast from the CDC saying the U.S. death toll could reach 218,000 by October 10th. This as a new report raises concerns about how those controversial testing guidelines were posted on the CDC's website last month. White House testing coordinator Admiral Brett Giroir, who was involved in publishing that information, will join us live in just a moment. But first, Stephanie Ramos has the very latest. Stephanie, good morning.
Whit, good morning. Throughout this pandemic, Americans have looked to the CDC for guidance, especially schools, as many try to reopen. But now the CDC is being criticized for a recommendation posted on their site. This morning, we're learning COVID-19 testing guidance posted to the CDC's website last month was not approved by CDC scientists, according to the New York Times. The CDC stated on their site that people without COVID-19 symptoms exposed to the virus did not need to receive testing. The language instead reportedly coming from the Department of Health and Human Services and the White House Coronavirus Task Force. This comes as the head of the CDC, Dr. Robert Redfield, has come under fire from President Trump for comments about wearing masks and when a vaccine may be widely available. And on Thursday, Dr. Anthony Fauci contradicting the president's claim we could have a vaccine by Election Day.
The idea of getting the entire population that wants to get vaccinated in a month or two, that's going to be very, very difficult to do.
And now another former member of the Trump administration turning against the president. Olivia Troy, who served on the coronavirus task force as Vice President Pence's advisor, tells the Washington Post Trump has a flat-out disregard for human life.
When we were in a task force meeting, the president said maybe this COVID thing is a good thing. I don't like shaking hands with people. I don't have to shake hands with these disgusting people.
Moderna and Pfizer, two drug companies developing a vaccine, releasing the rule books for their studies in an effort to be transparent.
We feel like one of the most important things that we need to start doing is building trust in the science behind the vaccines.
The effort to finalize a vaccine comes as schools struggle with trying to reopen. In New York City, the biggest school district in the country keeping its doors closed.
We are doing this to make sure that all the standards we've set can be achieved.
Here in New York City, the schools keeping their doors closed for in-person classes for at least another week because of safety concerns and staffing. The mayor says they do plan on hiring an additional 2,500 teachers. Cecilia.
Okay, Stephanie, thanks so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.